Are you gonna you,
Our way through, yeah.
you gonna ask me some questions then, or how are we gonna do it? Okay,
First,
cool.
yeah, just talk to me about where we're standing and what's out here, Carson.
Yeah, I'm Carson with Kalamazoo Mechanical. Today we're here at Kalamazoo Public Schools Administration Building, and what we're looking at is one of the 70-ton carrier air conditioning units. It's paired inside with a variable air volume air handling unit, and this unit here has a digital scroll compressor, which allows you to have some capacity control so that the unit can react and modulate depending on the demand in the building. So this is really helpful on days where you have a low cooling load, just so that the unit can come on and dehumidify but not overcool the space.